Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I recovered this failed roller set, spiral set, flexirod set, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, I'm starting off with some stretched hair and I blow dry my hair. It's too cold for wet hair right now. And I'm just brushing it out. I added some Parker J's cocoa cream and now I put in a little diluted Lotta Body and I'm just gonna set my hair. So the look I was going for was that wavy, fluffy look, but I don't know if it's because I was just tired. Y'all will see when I take these out. Your girl was like dead tired. So it was not working for me. So I ended up deciding to turn this into like a little updo. So just stay tuned and yeah. So the next morning, as you guys can see, your girl is beat down, tired, struggling to take these rolls out my head. And really, I added some Parker J's Magic Mane oil. And at this point, I was just like, man, I can't do it. I don't even know if I'm making it work today, okay? So I decided to part out the front part of my hair, pull up that top so it can be out the way. And I was like, I'm gonna do like a little updo. But then I wasn't really feeling that either. So then I decided to come in with my scarf. And when I came with that scarf, it just made it all come together. So I did use a little Murray's Extreme or Extra Hold, I don't know, around those edges to kind of make sure that it stayed up for me. And just kind of squiggled them little baby hairs right there. Nothing major. Pulled up the top into a ponytail. And then I came in with my scarf. So you guys let me know what you think of this little style. Thanks for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Mila B out.